Welcome. I'm Tim Oberkramer from HE&M Saw. I'm the service tech on all the benchtop make models that we have here at HE&M Saw. Today we're going to discuss all the procedures on how to prep your saw when you get it from new and any technical support that you're going to need. Today we're going to talk about our intro saw model 782XL. This here is the 782XL. Once you get this saw out of the box, it's going to arrive like this. In the box you will have a owner's packet and also the stop rod. At this time, what we're going to do is we're going to remove the zip tie that comes on the saw. We're going to install the handle properly, and then we're going to tension the blade and then get it to where we could actually start to prep the saw. Using a 3mm T-handle, back out the screw, install the handle, next we're going to tighten the tension knob up to the proper tensioning, then remove the shipping block. Plug in saw to the proper outlet. Press the green on switch. Bump run the blade to line it up. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to break in the blade on the blade procedure. We'll take a soft, mild steel, adjust the blade guide, tighten vise snug, changing the speed to high speed, do 2 to 3 cuts, slow through the material. Thanks for watching our video. Check out our next one. It's going to be the replacement of the blade on the 782XL.